The Westcar Papyrus, Tales of Ancient Egyptian Magic. The Westcar Papyrus is a fascinating collection of ancient Egyptian stories that recount miraculous feats performed by priests and magicians. These tales, set in the court of King Khufu during the 4th dynasty, were narrated by the king's own sons. Let's delve into each of these captivating stories. Story 1. The Mystery of the Missing Miracle. The first story, recounted by an unnamed son of Khufu, possibly Jedfer, is unfortunately incomplete. It appears to have described a miracle performed by a royal scribe during the reign of King Djoser, perhaps the renowned Imhotep. However, only the conclusion remains, where Khufu orders offerings to be made to Djoser. Story 2. The Cheating Wife and the Crocodile. In the second tale, told by Kafir, a high priest named Wepwat discovers that his wife is having an affair with a man from Memphis. To seek revenge, Wepwat creates a wax crocodile. When his wife meets her lover, he casts a spell, transforming the wax figure into a living crocodile. The crocodile attacks the lover and drags him into a lake. The king is later informed of the incident and orders the execution of the unfaithful wife. Story 3. The Lost Amulet. The third story, narrated by Prince Balfra, takes place during the reign of his grandfather, Snefru. The king becomes bored and is advised by the high priest to gather 20 young women for a boat trip. When one of the girls loses her prized turquoise fish amulet, the boating party refuses to continue until it is found. The high priest miraculously parts the waters to recover the amulet, much to the king's amazement. Story 4. The Man Who Could Revive the Dead. The fourth tale, related by Prince Hordedef, tells of a man named Dedi who possesses extraordinary abilities, such as reattaching severed heads and taming wild lions. King Khufu is intrigued and invites Dedi to court to test his powers. The king orders the heads of a goose, a waterfowl, and a bull to be severed. Dedi miraculously restores the animals to life. Dedi also claims knowledge of the secret chambers within the Temple of Thoth, but reveals that only one of the 3 future kings will be able to access them. This prophecy foreshadows the beginning of the 5th dynasty. Story 5. The Birth of the Divine Kings. The final story shifts focus to the birth of the 3 kings who will fulfill Dedi's prophecy. The goddess Isis, along with other deities, assists the queen, Rajadet, in giving birth to her 3 sons. The children are described as extraordinarily beautiful and powerful. The story concludes with a tragic tale of a servant girl who is punished for gossiping about the royal birth. What should be the topic of our next video? If you enjoyed this story about my life, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.